Hi guys, it's Bethany. I have a really small unboxing here for you today. This is called Dinoroar. It's by PixieStyx. It's a diamond art club. It is a round diamond shape. It is a 9" by a 9", or 23 centimeters by 23 centimeters. Let's go ahead and open this up and check this out. I bought this for my niece. Her birthday is coming up, and I'm going to give this to her for a present because she's my little diamond painting buddy. And she loves dinosaurs, loves them. So this is gonna be perfect. And I hate to open this, but I wanted to unbox this for you guys since, you know, I bought it and all. Okay. So, standard toolkit. Has all the basic goodies. If you're interested in seeing more about what's in here, check out one of my other videos. I'm not gonna open that this time. There's a little square thumbnail sticker. It has the name, the artist, the diamond shape size, and the size of the piece. This is a little one, you guys. This is so little. I actually like when Diamond Art Club comes out with littler kits like this because it's nice to work on little kits, and sometimes those other kits are just so big. It's nice to have something smaller. Oh, this is cool. Oh yeah, that rendered really nicely. So on the top we have the name and the logo. We have the legends on the left side and the right side. And the bottom has all their social media information, their lifetime warranty information, and a thumbnail of the image as well as the dimensions and information of the piece. Once again, this is Dinoroar by PixieStyx, a Diamond Art Club. It's a circle, it's a round. It's a round, and it's a 9 by 9", 23 centimeter by 23 centimeter. So in here, you have your instructions, you have your cool sticker sheet, 15 colors on this, and there's actually 2 ABs. How cool is that? Let's take a look at where those are real fast. It looks like number 1s are going to be on the teeth and the eyes, so those are going to be white, and then you have some number 2s, the yellow in this lava here. How cool is that? These are the drills. I'm not going to open them up because I do want them to stay nice and neat for the gift, but there you have it, all 15 colors. That's it. I'm going to leave this video real short, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!